The emerald tablet, also called the tabula smaragdina. If you've heard the phrase, as above, so below, you've encountered its central idea. Though it spans only a few paragraphs, the emerald tablet has inspired seekers for centuries. Some claim it holds the secret to turning metals into gold, while others see it as a pathway to spiritual awakening. In this video, we'll uncover its mythic origins, examine its mysterious contents, and trace its remarkable influence on Western alchemy and beyond. Hermes Trismegistus and historical roots. Legend credits the emerald tablet to Hermes Trismegistus, a semi-divine figure merging aspects of the Greek god Hermes and the Egyptian god Thoth. Trismegistus means thrice great, signifying mastery over alchemy, magic, and astrology. While historians view Hermes as a symbolic figure rather than a literal one, the body of work known as the Hermetica blends Egyptian cosmology and Greek philosophy. The exact date of the tablet remains uncertain. Some scholars place it in the early centuries of the Common Era, while others suggest a medieval origin. Regardless, the text appeared in Arabic alchemical treatises before reaching Europe through Latin translations in the 12th century. For medieval scholars, these translations promised a secret of secrets, fueling the idea that the tablet contained the deepest insights into nature's workings. The myth of a carved emerald. One reason the tablet stands out is its dramatic legend of discovery. Tales describe a literal emerald slab etched with cryptic phrases, supposedly found in the tomb of Hermes or in a hidden Egyptian chamber. Although captivating, there's no evidence of an actual gem. Most likely, the original text existed on parchment, but the image of a gleaming stone inscribed with arcane wisdom fired the imaginations of countless alchemists. They viewed the tablet as a sacred artifact that might unlock both material and spiritual treasure. A surprisingly brief but powerful text. Read any translation of the emerald tablet, and you'll discover it's remarkably short, sometimes less than a page. Yet it references cosmic unity, elemental forces, and a cyclical process of creation. These lines have sparked centuries of speculation. Was the tablet outlining practical lab operations, such as calcination, distillation, or fermentation, in metaphorical language? Or did it describe an inner journey, hinting at a process of purifying the soul? Many Hermeticists believe it addresses both, forming a bridge between the physical and metaphysical realms. As above, so below, the Hermetic key. The phrase, "that which is above is like that which is below," remains one of the tablet's most quoted lines. At one level, it suggests that celestial phenomena mirror earthly processes. At another, it implies that external events and inner experiences share a deeper correspondence. For alchemists, this duality served as a framework. Observing transformations in a crucible was akin to witnessing the soul's own trials and evolution. This layered meaning kept the tablet relevant across many practices, from astrology to contemplative mysticism, and even into modern New Age philosophies. Influence in medieval and Renaissance Europe. Once the emerald tablet entered Europe, it circulated among scholarly and religious circles, seeking to merge Christian doctrine with emerging knowledge. Alchemists like Roger Bacon referenced it, while Albertus Magnus, renowned for blending Aristotelian science and theology, viewed alchemy as part of understanding God's creation. By the Renaissance, figures such as Marsilio Ficino and Pico della Mirandola promoted Hermetic texts, paving the way for deeper study of the tablet. Paracelsus, a physician and alchemist, found in its verses a union of medicine, chemistry, and spiritual philosophy. For these thinkers, alchemy extended beyond metals and minerals to encompass moral and cosmic dimensions. Newton's alchemical side. Isaac Newton's passion for alchemy is among the most intriguing facets of the tablet's story. While celebrated for his laws of motion and gravitational theory, Newton also penned extensive notes on transmutation and the Philosopher's Stone. He believed in hidden natural forces, discoverable through both experimentation and Hermetic insights. Newton even owned a translation of the Emerald Tablet, reflecting his view that its verses might reveal principles governing matter at the most fundamental level. Although he never publicized his alchemical pursuits, his manuscripts underscore how blurred the line was between science and mysticism in the 17th century. Multiple interpretations and debates. Over time, interpreters have clashed over the tablet's true function. Some believe it provides a literal recipe for turning base metals into gold. Others argue the text is purely symbolic, detailing a spiritual journey where one dissolves old attachments, akin to melting impurities away, and then experiences a purified rebirth. Modern Hermetic groups often merge both viewpoints, asserting that matter and spirit are two aspects of a single cosmic reality. They see the great work as an alchemical dance, echoing transformations in nature while guiding the individual toward higher consciousness. Skeptical assessments. Not everyone reads the Emerald Tablet as a source of cosmic truth. Critics note that no one has reliably produced gold through the processes it's said to describe. Skeptics view it as a relic of medieval cosmology with no real ties to ancient Egypt. From a historical angle, the tablet likely emerged from a blend of Hellenistic, Persian, and other influences, shaped by cultural cross-currents over centuries. Yet even skeptics concede that the tablet spurred valuable inquiry, bridging the mystical pursuits of medieval alchemists and the rational investigations that would shape modern science. Lasting impact on Western esotericism. Regardless of its veracity, the Emerald Tablet holds a central place in alchemical lore. It set the stage for symbolic rituals in secret societies, influenced occult philosophers like Heinrich Cornelius Agrippa, and underpinned movements such as Rosicrucianism. As above, so below resonates in astrological traditions, tarot symbolism, and contemporary holistic teachings. Its enduring popularity suggests a timeless longing to perceive the universe as an interconnected system. Whether searching for literal gold or personal enlightenment, generations of seekers have turned to the tablet's cryptic lines for guidance. Contemporary echoes in popular culture. Today, references to the Emerald Tablet appear in novels, comics, and films whenever hidden knowledge or mysterious power is at play. In spiritual circles, the text's focus on unity and self-transformation still resonates with those craving a holistic worldview. As above, so below emerges in discussions on mindfulness, meditation, and alternative healing, often used to illustrate the interplay between macrocosm and microcosm. Despite centuries of debate, the tablet continues to symbolize humanity's desire to bind scientific curiosity with metaphysical wonder. From its shadowy origins to its ongoing relevance in modern esoteric circles, the Emerald Tablet has traversed the ages, captivating the minds of alchemists, philosophers, and even pioneering scientists like Newton. Whether you consider it an actual formula for transmutation or a metaphor for spiritual rebirth, there's no denying its influence. It encouraged medieval scholars to look beyond dogma, inspired Renaissance polymaths to seek hidden truths, and continues to spark dialogue in our contemporary world. Its simple yet profound phrase, "As above, so below," invites us to ponder our connection to the cosmos and reminds us that the search for knowledge transcends the boundaries between science, philosophy, and the unseen.